Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a little bit of nature and incorporate it into your nutrition and put it on your plate for dinner. So I'm going to take a little bit of rosemary from my garden. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it, but got a little rosemary, a little lavender, some roses, petunia, and I'm just gonna clip a little bit of this rosemary here, take it inside with me, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with it. Just Now, not to worry, you don't have to have a garden in order to make this meal that I'm going to make today. Well, not a meal, it's more like a side dish. You only need 5 simple ingredients. If you don't have rosemary in your garden, you can easily pick this up at the grocery store when you're making your essential runs. Rosemary has a lot of healing properties, but the ones that are most important right now, that it's really good in it's antiviral, so it helps to keep down infections. It also helps with circulating your blood throughout your body, so that makes you feel more energized. As well as it calms the nervous system. So it's really good for stress and anxiety and worry. So if at any point you feel anxious, worried, overwhelmed, I like to just take it and rub it in my hands, and then it's on your hands for you to smell for maybe 30 minutes, and then you can rub some more onto your hands and you can smell it for a little longer. So anyways, 5 simple ingredients if I count it right. Rosemary, some garlic here if you can see. I've got some multicolored potatoes, little small potatoes, so you can use regular potatoes, baking potatoes, you can use red potatoes, but this is just like a tricolor medley of potatoes. Salt, pepper, and an oil of your choice. So I like to use grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil and or any other type of oil that you like, and we're gonna just make it really easy. So let me get the oil. Oil, salt, pepper. All right, I cook a lot, so I keep a lot of salt and pepper on deck. So all I'm gonna do is, I got a little dish here, regular sized dish, and I'm going to put my rosemary to the side. I'm just gonna cut all of the potatoes in half and throw them into the little baking dish really quick. Show you how quick I can make this. Potatoes are really good, give you a lot of vitamins and minerals. They're rich in vitamin C. And sometimes potatoes get a bad rap, but they're still a vegetable, and they're really good for you. So I'm gonna just take some potatoes, like I said, cut them up, and then, so here they are cut up, and then I'm just gonna take the garlic and sprinkle it on top. And of course, you're gonna want to get some help if you're a kid and you're trying to help your parents in the kitchen with this. But otherwise, it's really simple. All you have to do, you can even use a butter knife to cut them in half to create more safety when you're trying to chop it up. And I just like to, I don't even take the rosemary off of the sprigs. I just like to just break the sprig and just let it lay on top of the potato, so all of the aroma from the rosemary can kind of seep up and you'll smell it while it's baking. And then I like to take a tablespoon, and I'll do like maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. And I put on top. And then I just take some pepper, sprinkle on top, and some salt, and sprinkle on top. I like to use pink Himalayan sea salt. It's a much better salt for you. It's naturally derived from the earth, so it's not processed. It's really just salt from the sea that they've allowed to dry in the sun, and then they package it for us to be able to use and salt our food. So then I just take it and mix it all up. This is what it looks like. Nice and pretty, smells good. Remember, really good for any worry, stress, anxiety, and overwhelmment. I have my oven set at 405 degrees, and I'm going to bake them for 20 minutes. Since they're little potatoes, they won't need a lot of time to bake. If you feel like you put a fork in it and it's not really easy, then leave it in for maybe 5-10 more minutes. All right? Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on how to incorporate some of nature into your nutrition. Bye.